Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to another fun activity on our computing lesson in Purple Mash. Now today you're going to click back in your to-dos, you're going to go all the way down if your teachers have assigned your free code chimp, and you're going to click preview, or I think you will press start and press OK. So I'm going to start off by showing you that today we are going to be doing another event block or event code block as well. So we've looked already and learned all about when clicked on a character, what the character then needs to do, or when we press a certain key, what the character or the background will do. Now today I'm going to show you the when swiped code block. Before we can start, we always start by adding in a background. Now today I have already pre-selected an image. I'm going to use these two roads, one moving forward and one moving towards the left. And I wonder if you can tell me, where do we go if we would like to add in characters to our background? That's right, we go to design mode. So we click on design mode, and I'm going to use a turtle today. Now I can't see my background, and I wonder if you can tell me, where can I click to see my background so that I can position my character on the correct spot? That's right. There's a little screen, a black screen down here. We click on that, and then images and the question mark. So we click on the question mark, and then you just go down and you select the same background that you have. And that will make it really easy. So when I drag in my turtle, I don't have to put it on the grass, but I can put it nice and neatly in the middle of my road. So I'm going to choose one turtle and then another turtle, but I'm going to change it by double clicking on it and make it let's make it a yellow turtle today. So with today's when swiped key event, I'm also going to show you how to change the angle or the direction of my character. So you can see that the turtle at the moment is facing up, and I would like it to move to the left. So here we can see in properties, I've already shown you how to make your object bigger or smaller. And with angle, we can click to change the angle or the direction of our character, which direction it's facing. So once I click it, and we've learned all about half turns and quarter turns, 3/4 turns as well in maths. So I've given it a quarter turn to the left so that it faces down the road. So now I can move it and position it so it's straight in the middle of the road. And this is what I want to do today. So I'm going to exit design mode, and now I'm going to drag in. So when I press play now, I can see that this is what the computer will show me. So now I'm going to add in my when swiped activity. So when I swipe my purple turtle, I want to swipe. So now you also need to say in what direction you are going to swipe this specific turtle. So when you swipe up, when you swipe down, when you swipe to the left, or when you swipe to the right. So I'm going to select when I swipe up, because that's the direction that I want my turtle to move. So when I swipe my purple tortoise up, I want my purple turtle to go forward. And then what it also now asks is, how many steps would you like it to go forward? So I would like it to go forward maybe 2 steps at a time. And you can even say the swipe speed or the swipe angle as well. So I'm just going to keep it to this. So now when I click on my play button and I click swiping forward, my turtle will move forward. Right, so that is exactly what I wanted to do. So now I wonder if you can help me with my yellow turtle. So we're going to drag in again my when swipe. Now let's quickly go back. You can see that my yellow turtle is facing to the left. So I'm not going to swipe up on my yellow turtle. I want to swipe it in the direction of where I would like it to move, so it's easy to remember. So I'm going to swipe it to the left, and then I'm also going to program it so it moves to the left as well. So when I swipe on my purple turtle at the moment, you can see that nothing's happening. My purple turtle will move forward because I've programmed this one already. So this one has still got question marks. So I'm going to go out, and I'm going to add in when I swipe my yellow turtle to the left, I want my, now remember it's another 2-step event key or coding block that I need to complete. So as you can see, if I press play now, it's already going to tell me at the bottom, error, there's an empty when swiped block. So it's telling me nothing is going to happen. And now you can see when I try, it even lights up. It's showing me something's wrong. So I need to go back in and then complete my when swiped block. So when swiped, my yellow turtle, I want to the left. I want my yellow turtle now to move. Now let's quickly see. Forward, backwards, turn. I can even make it turn. So I can even make it speak and say hi for 3 seconds as well. So when I press play, I can move it to, and it says hi. And my purple turtle swipe up and it moves forwards. Right, let's see if we change it as well. So you can go in now onto Purple Mash and even change what you want it to do. So if you don't want it to speak, maybe you can make it turn 10 degrees. Let's make it more. Let's make it about 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is a quarter turn and 180 degrees will be a half turn. So let's quickly press play. When I swipe to the left, it turns. So this little turtle will stay on one spot and just turn around. When I swipe, can you see my arrow just moving to the left because that's what I said it needs to do. When I swipe my purple turtle to the left, nothing's going to happen because my instruction to my computer is when swiped purple turtle up. So I need to swipe up, then purple turtle will move forward 2 steps with my swipe. So today I want you to just have fun and explore the when swiped key and block in your computing lesson as well. I hope you have lots of fun. Wow, boys and girls, we've really come a long way if we think about how we started off with coding. And I know it's really difficult and it's really tricky as well because there's lots of things to always remember. But remember, when you ever struggle to go to the play music, or it looks like a film, slide over here, and then you can listen to a couple of videos as well where another man who's really clever and knows a lot about coding, more than I do, will tell you a little bit more about what to do. So I hope that I've made it as simple as possible for you today, and I hope you have lots of fun figuring out and playing around with the when swiped key code block today. Have lots of fun, boys and girls, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.